Hello friends, my name is Sandeep Gupta. I will teach you in mobile only how to create a mark sheet. First you have to download Excel. It will get you Play Store or App Store. First you have to open this and click new. Select mark sheet. Select a sheet. First we have to write surname, register name. You have to write first that surname. It is very nice application. Afterwards we have to write names. First Sangam Yadav. First we write. This is I writing because I want to explain you how to write. You can write anybody's name that you want. Second Jason. Third Dipson. In this application you studied very things, how to use Excel and how to produce a mark sheet. All things you will get in here. Which subject you have to take mark sheet? That subjects. First Maths, second Hindi, and third language we will take English. Which subject you have to take, you can take that you want marks to create mark sheet. We will take all that cells that you have to give the marks. This is very nice because we clicking very times, that's why.
मम्मी लड्डू बटा लो खा ले।
After this over, we will take a total. We will write total. We will first use the formula of total is equal to sign first, then sum, then bracket open, and which you have to add to which language you want to get that total. Click that one click first, one, then plus sign, then click second and click third and bracket end, and please write. It will give you a total. Second type you will get nicely total. Second trick is to give the total. You have to select the subjects and click here. See here, left sides down. You have to click here, then you will get total. Third, you have to come auto sum and you have to click only sum. First you have to select all that subjects you want to total. First you have to select. First you want to select. Wait, I will show you. You selected all and click your sum. You will get total. To take a total, one simple method, I will tell you more. First we clear this, delete it. First you have to select all and clear this symbol and left side, that W, see, all total we will get it. Afterwards we have to write average. In mark sheet, average is very important. Average formula, direct you can take average in auto sums, it is also nice. And second, you can take formula, you can take help of formula. First we delete average formula. First we have to click is equal to sign, then we have to write average. See, it is commit average, and you have to select three subjects are there. We'll click it, we get it average. We have to copy it. Then first we have to click there, and again we have to click, and formulas we apply, and then we have to use formula only. Again and again formulas, it is reduced. Afterwards you have to write maximum. Maximum is also very important in mark sheet. Maximum marks, how much. Maximum's formula is, first we have to click equal to sign, and then we have to write max. See, max also come. You have to select that three subjects that you want maximum number, and we click yes, we get it the maximum number. We have to copy this formulas. You can directly take it auto sums, the maximum number you can take auto sums, otherwise you can use this formula. And minimum is also very important in mark sheet, how less marks you get it. Is equal to sign first, then minimum. Sorry, first you have to write minimum is equal to, see, it is comment. You have to again selected that three subjects be selected. You have to again copy the formulas. It is very nice application. It will be help you in mobile only how to use Excel. And this is very important, result. See carefully how to take a result. First we have to write the result, then you have to click is equal to sign, if, see carefully the formula, or, and again bracket, and we have to select that three subjects. First select, and then is equal, less than 35 and comma, again we have second subject, again less than 35, you have to click, see the formula carefully, bracket means comma, and third subject we click, again less than 35, bracket, again comma, and we have to write fail, again comma, then we have to write pass. It is written, if it is less than 35, then it will give fail, otherwise it will give pass. See, this boy was failed because it is 25, it is less than 35. and we have to copy the formulas again. And last it was grade. Grade we have to write first. Grade. First we have to write equal to sign, if bracket, and we have to choose the average. Average we have to choose, click at average and write it. Greater sign. Greater sign. Which you want to add? I write it 70. If it is greater than 70, then give A plus. See carefully the signs, which signs is which place. I give it A plus if it is greater than 70, and then again if, then again you have to choose that average. Otherwise you can write it directly. Number again, if it is greater, second you have to write, see the formula bar. If it is greater, if it is greater 50, otherwise which number you want to add, which number you want to write, you can write 50. I write it. If it is greater 50, then give them B. Again we have to write if bracket, and again we have to choose. It is greater 35, then give them C grade. Again we have to select that average. First we have to write if bracket, yes, and it is last. If it is less than 35, if it is less than 35, less than sign and is equal to 35, then give them D grade. And how much time you write it, if that much you have to click it, the bracket. See, it is given, we have to copy. First click there and we have to copy the formula, then write the formula. Click the formula, it will copy. See, our mark sheets are ready. Then we have to insert a row to write a mark sheet. Now you can write any mark sheet's name that you want. I will first merge and center. You know the merge and center what is? See, the merge and center. It will erase the line, and we have to write 9. I will write 9 standard mark sheet. then you have to click and see what is there. You have to click here, it will come in left side. You can try these all features and you can know what is Excel, how to use Excel. You doesn't have computer, then you can install this and you can reduce and you can write also. Afterwards I click it is increases the names, then you have to click double type. When you will click double type, how much that place he wants, it will take the words, how much place is taken, it will give them. Double tap, see it is ready. I will first color, which color you want you can take. First we black and white we can do. I take it green color, and sentence I take it red color, and afterwards you have to take a border, which I will take all border. First I select it, I click it all border and take it all border. See, it is ready, our mark sheet. Next video we will take many things of Excel in mobile only we can use.